Right, how to replace reversing light bulb in a Honda HR-V. This one's leaking. I'm going to change the light out later. Anyway, I'll just do the bulb for now. Get us out of trouble. As you can see, there's a panel up there. I'm going to pull that out, so I'll just pop you down so you can hopefully see. Yeah, get my little plastic tool, bottom corner here, stick that in, just pop that out. There you go. Alright, now we've got our connector up in there. It's pretty similar to the CR-V, so you just push down on that tab. See if I can get the camera somewhere. So you push down on that tab and pull it out. There you go, there's that tab, springy tab. Right, and now these rotate anti-clockwise to loosen. Now, if they're like mine, they're real bloody tight, which is why I'm making this video. Get yourself a shifter, something like that, put it on there like that, and then you might be able to get it loose enough. Okay, that's it. So turn that little bit, I think. Break the thing loose. Trying to do some video, it's pretty hard. Alright. Now, got the shifter on there. Clamp it on. Come on, grab it. Okay. There we go. Okay. I was able to twist it like that to break it loose because they're real bloody tight. His idea was this. Anyway. Okay. And then it just comes straight out. And there's your bulb. They're a for focus is 12 volt 16 12 volt W16W. Anyway, they're all one of these. Sorry, one of those little wedge bulbs. I'm swapping them out for LEDs. And then, so you can just pop your new one into the little holder. Got some LED bulbs, you just push it in. Sorry. I do have a thing, but it's not here. So I can just whoop, try and do a two-handed thing from the end. Okay. There we are. So you get it in there and then you can just push it in. Sweet. And these big long ones, surprisingly enough, do fit. And you can see that it's actually there is one side has a larger hole than the other three. So if you look at the bulb, hold up, all your cameras are on that side of the phone. There is small one, small one, small one. There's quite a large one on that side. So the large one has to go back through that large hole. Anyway, so you just shove that back in there. And it's free. Just line it up. There we go. Bit of a push, twist, lock, and we can put the connector back on. You just really, something you can see. You just push that in. There we go. Push. She's on. That's it. Bulb changed.